Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the monthly read for Scorpio Sun, Moon and Rising. So let's start and see what are the messages for Scorpio people. Let me tell you that this is a general read, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Pentacle, Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacle, Page of Cups, Five of Pentacle, Knight of Wands, High Priestess, Ten of Pentacle, Star. Okay, bottom of the deck, Nine of Swords. Okay, so this is it. First thing first, this is not a relationship reading, not a love reading, but I will try to focus both relationship and career matters with all these cards. Okay, so whatever situation is going on there in Scorpio's life, situation is turning into something which is, I feel, not good. Situation is turning into that you may be trying to leave someone behind. You may be trying to or thinking to leave someone behind. I feel there is someone who is already in relationship person, Scorpios especially I'm talking about. So person can be a mother as well or have a motherly nature. Very nurturing, Queen of Pentacle, very nurturing, caring. Sometimes when the person is married, this can represent a motherly behavior towards kids as well, and card shows us that this person has kids as well. Okay, in the deep past there was some person is there in your life. It can be anyone, it can be a good friend of yours, it can be some previous partner, anything. Now this person might be coming back very quickly in your life. Person can be a fire sign, especially it is possible that the person is a Sagittarius. Now the person is coming back, rather I must say the person has came back. Okay, the person has came back in your life and most probably gave you some sort of relationship offer, rather it can be a proposal and engagement ring as well. If this is a relationship situation, then this can be a engagement ring. But on the other hand, it is also possible that if this is a financial situation, then it is also possible that some old friend came quickly in your life in past months, and you were busy with your to take care of your own assets and gave you some sort of offer or opportunity to work together. This can be a life altering opportunity, whether it is a financial opportunity or relationship. It is also possible that initially it is a financial opportunity that will turn into a love offer as well. It's also possible. Okay. Maybe the person is very much concerned about your finances, but you might be considering that this offer has some sort of other motives as well. It's also possibility. So you have become quiet, not talking to the person, not responding in the manner as they were expected you to do. You are more focused on your finances, you are more focused on your money, as I have mentioned that in especially with these two cards I can say that this is someone with the kids. So you are more focused to earn enough money to take care of your family, or it is possible that you are more concerned about your family members and family belongings. I feel there is some sort of healing there for you. You will be deciding what is best in everyone's interest. But in the same time, when you are deciding what's better for what's good for everyone, at the same time you are not happy with your life as well. You are very much anxious. You don't know what is there that you should do, or how you should proceed. I can see sleepless nights, I can see depression, I can see sadness, I can see overthinking, I can see monkey mind behavior, and you keep on thinking on the same point and making nasty stories simply in your mind. So this is it. I feel either that person will leave you quickly if you are not giving them a good response, or maybe this is one situation, that the person is leaving, the person who came will leave again. But on the other hand, it is also possible that since someone came in your life again, some old person came in your life again, now you have decided to leave what is already there in your life. You decided to leave the family, though it is very difficult. It is very difficult to leave them behind, but still you are working on that, because I feel now is the time that you have decided to thought about yourself. You have decided to get some sort of harmony in your life which is not already there. On the very bottom I can see 3 of cups, page of wands, and the moon card. Again it shows me that you got some sort of get together, and you have found some old friend over there, and the person gave you some sort of passionate messages. Now the situation is hidden. No one knows what's going inside your head, and what you are trying to decide. No one knows that, but I feel this hidden truth will come out very soon. I really feel that it will take a month most probably, but after that the situation will come out, will be open in front of everyone. I hope this reading will resonate with you guys. Give me feedback on this. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.